welcome back to another YouTube video. Right now it is currently raining, and if you can see right there, that's the creek. All right here, that is not the creek. I'm sure you can hear that thunder right now, but we're gonna walk up. Right there, that is the creek right there. No. Yeah, that is. No? I can't tell you. But right there, that's not the creek. I think I'm going to be able to get down here without getting in, guys. Right here, this is not part of the creek. But right there, that is the creek. It's overflowing right now, so yeah. We just built like a little bike ramp right here. Not part of the creek, but pretty deep. Like, whenever we had a lot of rain come one time, our whole Papa and Nana's backyard was all flooded. I know y'all are like, what are those? Oh, we were trying to build SSB, but then we were like, whenever it rained first time when we built here, we were like, crap, it's gonna get flooded. So right now we're trying to find a new place to relocate. So yeah, we'll give another update on when we'll figure it out, guys. But right now, I said we should build over there. Right now, guys, I'm not trying to slip and fall on my face and bust it open. So, well, a neighbor that lives a couple houses down, like 3 houses down, has a flooded, like he has like a pond. We like to call it the Buddy Pond, Mr. Buddy Pond. But right now we're gonna come down here. Rain's kind of slowing down. That's good. Like over there. Wait, let's get closer. Over there, it would be a lot more flooded. Like, right there is flooded that you can kind of see. Well, guys, yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for the end of the video. I'm probably gonna record some June or July. I'm not quite sure. I can't remember. I am going to go see Dude Perfect. I'll film some of that for y'all guys, and I'm gonna ask them if I can go and ask them to shout out my YouTube channel and Miles and Hudson because M and H. But right now, I'll film some of it for y'all guys, but for right now, I'm trying to hit 50 subs, so at least. So can y'all please leave a like and subscribe? I would really appreciate that, guys. Thank you. Join me next time on Mr. Rope, M and H. Please tell your friends about it. Stay dry, stay safe. See you next time.